Hello people, this is Jeff. Now today I have a pro tip for you. Are you thinking about switching to solar? Here are 4 pro tips everyone should consider before investing in solar energy. Number 1, you have to know your energy needs. This will determine the system sizing. Number 2, the type of the system you want. It might be an off-grid system, or you just need an on-grid system. An on-grid system means you just have an inverter, battery without panels, so that you charge your battery with the grid power. This means you are just having a system for backup. But an off-grid system, this is a system that you will never need KPLC. Like you'll have panels, inverter, and you'll have the battery for storage. Number 3, the quality of the products you choose. Now, here is the main one. When you are planning to go solar, you need to go for trusted brands for inverter, the battery, and also the panels. Cheap is expensive in solar, you know that, and that's why we recommend brands like Mastec and Day for inverters. But for the battery, I'll just recommend people to go for Mastec. Okay. Number 4, budget and return on investments, what we call ROI. Solar is an investment. Know the cost and how long it will take to pay itself back. Cheap is expensive again. If you're planning to go solar, go for premium products if you can. If you go for low quality products, that means you will spend a lot on maintenance. But if you spend on premium products, you spend much for the first time. But once you purchase the product, you will never again spend on maintenance. Take that. Spend on premium products. Cheap is expensive. Do it right the first time, and you will enjoy clean, free power for years. Need help going solar? Comment the word solar, and I will give you a free consultancy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips. You can also follow us on social media. We are on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Go Solar with Jeff. Thank you.